Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I've been using the iPhone 13 for about a week now, and I just want to give everyone an update. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video. I've been using the iPhone 13 for about a week now, and I just want to give an update on my experiences with the phone. There are things I like about the phone, there are things I don't like about it, and I just wanted to let everyone know. Yes, I am an Android fanboy, so using iOS has been a difficult process, but let's get into this video. Look at that red though. That red is beautiful though. The red is definitely beautiful. But let's get into it. Let's see if I can unlock it. So the first thing I'm gonna go over are the things I don't like about the phone. Some things that, really bug me about it. And let's get into it. So the other day I made a video on why iOS is annoying. So that's the first thing. Some of the steps in here, some of the iOS, bugs and overall how they do stuff is just crazy and it's annoying. I won't go over each one. I will link the video on the top right now, so that way you can see why iOS is annoying, especially coming from an Android fanboy. So iOS could be part of it. Once you get used to it, yes, it's kind of easy to use, but definitely some annoying things about iOS, and looking at that video you can check that out. One other thing I don't like about it is the outdated design. Yes, come on Apple. Still has a notch in there. They say it's 20% smaller than last year's model, but it's just outdated, man. It gets annoying, especially when you come in like a Fold or even a Galaxy. It's just annoying. Also, some people love the boxy design or how that is all squared off. I don't know. I don't like it. Like, it feels really goofy in the hands when you try to hold it. I don't know. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the design. That notch is something else though in 2021. Another thing I don't like about it, and I guess this can go back to iOS or just the phone itself, is you can unlock it with a PIN or Face ID, but give us a fingerprint scanner, I guess what they call a Touch ID or something. Put that back on the phone some kind of way. Put it in under the display. I don't know. But having a different way of unlocking the phone would be really great too. That gets annoying. It's just, I don't know, makes no sense either. So overall, there's not much not to like about this phone. Again, the main thing that I have a problem with is just how iOS does a couple things. Also the outdated design, and then some other way to unlocking the phone. So let's get into the things I really do like about it. Also, I said it's outdated design, but that display is great for viewing content. Going outside, it gets really bright during the day. I didn't have any problems, shooting video or even photos. I could see what I was taking a picture of. So the display is actually a great panel. So shout out to them for doing a great panel. The other thing that I'm enjoying is the battery life. The battery life is so good. I haven't even checked on my screen on time or worry about charging it, making it through the day or not. I can make it through the day easily and probably even get, to the next day without even charging it. So battery life has been really good on here. So shout out to Apple for optimizing their phones and having great battery life. I heard nothing but great stories about the battery life on the iPhone 13 Pro and also the 13 Pro Max. So Apple has done something great with the battery life, how they optimize everything. It's a great thing. So the battery life on here is really good, y'all. Another thing that I enjoy is the cameras, the 4K at 60 and 4K at 30. The rear cameras are really good. I don't have a problem with it. Check out the comparisons I did on my channel. Did a video test too. The cameras are really good. The iPhone 13 is missing the telephoto lens. So if you want that lens, you have to get the Pro model. That's definitely up to you. I didn't miss it when I was doing the videos, but you may miss it, especially if you have some kids in sports or something that you want to try to zoom in a little bit. The telephoto lens might be something that you really need. The next thing I'm enjoying is the speakers on this phone. The speakers sound really great. They're actually great to listen to, watching videos, playing YouTube music on here. Anything that you're doing, the speakers are good. Speaker calls are great, like FaceTiming and everything. I didn't think the speakers would actually be that good on here, but they're really good. It kind of shocked me there. Also, this is, I guess, part of iOS and the whole experience is the FaceTime. Yeah, FaceTime is definitely cool. You get to FaceTime people, maybe see people that you haven't seen in a while. So FaceTime is really good. I don't get the whole thing about iMessaging. Seems just like Android to me, but that's a whole different story. The other thing I love about the phone is the color. That product red color is great. I do wish it was kind of matte, like the sides here, but it's a great color though. It really is. So overall, I am enjoying my experience with the Apple iPhone 13. Again, iOS is annoying, so it is what it is. I'm getting used to it, I guess. Will I be keeping this phone using iOS? Stay tuned to the channel. More with that coming up really soon. Y'all let me know if you have the iPhone 13 or if you have a different iPhone. Do you really enjoy it? Do you like iOS? And also, if you're an Android fanboy like myself, do you ever think you can switch to iOS? Because I do have a lot of Android friends and users on here, so y'all let me know, could y'all ever switch to iOS, or do you actually use now both of them now? I have a lot of friends that actually use iOS and Android, so y'all let me know. Let's get a conversation going. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the iPhone 13. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at @4Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation, and until next time, peace. I'm out. You have a great day.